today, so we brought in those shower chances for you this morning, and meteorologist Brian Slocum updated you on that earlier today. But yeah, the clouds, they're not supposed to be here, neither is the rain yet, but that system kind of pumping in very quickly, and with that it'll increase our rain chances still later this evening before the system rolls through. And so we're sitting in the 40s and 50s as the system approaches, so not terribly cold going into it. We don't have all of the Gulf moisture lingering. It looks like we're going to see most of that moving off to the north and east, and then that cold front's going to sweep in and help to dry us out, but there's still going to be enough moisture to drop along the mountains to get things going for some snowfall. But you see that pretty intense low, that digging trough, and you see it here as it's dipping south now through areas of Nashville. We expect that to continue through the evening hours, and that will increase our wind speeds. We also have good pressure gradients that develop as a ridge builds in behind our cold front. So the fronts are going to come through. We've got 1-2 punch coming. So temperatures 24 hours ago were 9 degrees warmer. Instead, we are cooler now. Cooler also in Reidsville as well as Martinsville. Those clouds and the rain chances building a lot sooner. Now developing with winds too. We'll see the winds come up, so you're going to feel more uncomfortable. Gusts up to 15 to 20 miles an hour tonight, starting to increase to 30 miles an hour for gusts tomorrow. 44 degrees in Greensboro, also Burlington. We're at 43 in Sparta. We notice that the wind gusts are coming up at about 12 miles an hour now there, and also out through Asheboro. We'll notice those gusts beginning to increase, especially as we go later this evening. You see the rain chances and snow chances for folks in the mountains really heightened as we get you through the dinner hour, but even then, it's not a guarantee for snow. I think that the best chances will be on the ski slopes. They're going to be at those higher elevations, and that's what we're looking at. Temperatures overnight do dip down into the 20s, and we expect to see rain chances really out of the mix for most of the folks in the foothills. It might even miss you, and that's what we've been looking at on our imagery over the last 24 hours, as it looks like we've got that nice little dry spot, a slight chance of some of those showers in the foothills rather, and in the Piedmont Triad, a better chance of some evening showers as that continues to lift through, kind of drops out some of that moisture as we're in the 40s still to upper 30s by early tomorrow morning. So this is what's happening here, your hour by hour forecast. You've got 50s, you've got temperatures that start to cool. Here comes the snow chances for folks this evening in the mountains, western slopes especially. The cold front will push through, and as it does, it drops in some of that snow, maybe a flurry if temperatures continue to drop just in the right direction. But I don't think we're going to be cold enough and matching that moisture at the right time to get much of a even novelty snow, but there's a slight possibility you might see a flurry in the morning. Looks like that best opportunity is still in the mountains, possibly early on your Thursday, but temperatures are simply cold. It is a blustery day, and we've got those winds really starting to come up. I want to show you the wind speed forecast though tomorrow morning. We start to see them steady anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour. And with that, the feels like temperatures, they're coming down. We're going to feel more like the teens, even below zero readings, as low as 10 below for folks in the high country. 17 potentially tomorrow morning in Greensboro to Winston-Salem. And throughout the day, lots of teens to 20s for feels like temperatures, as gusts will be high in about 30 mile an hour range. Potential snowfall looks highest up in the mountains. We may get some decent snow on a few of those ski slopes. We'll keep you posted on that. And for the holiday weekend, we are mostly dry. There's a slight chance of a passing shower, maybe a quick flurry on Sunday, nothing substantial, and 41 degrees on Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. If you're volunteering, you'll need those extra layers. It's still below normal and cold.